Hi everybody, we at btechguru.com are presenting you with an opportunity to make your resume more professional and more attractive. We are having a workshop for that, and in this workshop we will be giving you tips and techniques on how to improvise on your resume and how to ensure that you stand out from the crowd. Now, when you make a job application, along with you, several other people are also making the application, and everybody is working hard to make their resume as impressive as possible. And on an average, an interviewer spends anywhere between 15 to 20 seconds glancing through a resume. If you are able to capture the interviewer's interest, only then will they take an interest in your CV, and only then will your chances of getting the job increase. So what we are going to do in this workshop is we will analyze each and every aspect of a resume in detail. For example, your work experience details, your educational qualifications, your accomplishments, your strengths, weaknesses, etc. Whatever you are going to put in your resume. We are going to tell you how to make it look more crisp, how to make it look more professional, how to target it and tweak it for every job application that you make, because nowadays having a cookie cutter approach does not work. You can't have the same resume for each and every application that you make. You have to vary it from application to application depending on the job description. So at the end of this workshop, you would have learned how an interviewer looks at a resume, what goes on in the interviewer's mind. You would also have gained insight into what is important while you make a resume, what points you should keep in mind. And also at the end of the workshop, we would like you to send us a resume that you make using the tips that we give you, and we will reply to you with corrections. So the aim is, at the end of the workshop, everybody should have a crisp and clear resume. That is our deliverable to you. And we are having this workshop on 5th of September 2015, that is a Saturday. So we look forward to seeing you there, and have a great day. Thank you.